Okay, so for this, since I said we would do this about checking the belt tension, what I'm going to do at this point is stop disassembly, and we're going to have to back up and pretend that everything's still in place and we just want to check our belt tension. So take your 4 screws, 10mm screws off. Why don't this make it handy? They have conveniently put a little deal here. There you go. Our cover's off. I double checked the manual on our deflection. There is one thing that I discovered while reading the manual. People don't want to buy the belt deflection gauge. There is one feature of it that you're just not going to have unless you buy it. And what I'm going to use to measure my deflection is this. It's actually a spring tool for pulling springs on exhaust, whatnot, and mark it, and then mark it again after I press. But the thing with the belt deflection tool is this: it has a spring-loaded button on the top. So when you place it in and start pressing down, the tool has a pre-described amount of pressure on it that you're supposed to apply to this belt. If I come in here and like right now, rest it on it, 90-degree angle to the belt, make my mark, and then push as hard as I can and make another mark, I don't know, to be honest with you, I don't know how accurate that's going to be. Obviously not as accurate as if you had the same tool, the tool made for this, and you're able to press down from the top, and then when the button is compressed, you stop, because it's a pre-described amount of pressure applied to the belt, not as much as 250-pound Todd can push or 100-pound female who may be doing this. So it's probably going to be off slightly. So, but we're going to do it my way, not necessarily the right way. Okay, I would trust, you know, mine to this, but I'd really hate to tell you guys to do it. So it's resting on the belt at this point, and I'm going to make my mark with a Sharpie. Okay, then I'm going to apply pressure. I decided that I'm not going to get over zealous with it. Matter of fact, I'm going to push with one finger and make another mark. Okay, here's my 2 marks. Now, measuring the distance, they're supposed to be done in millimeters. Let's see what and just so happens this is alright, we're at 5, 10, 15, 20, bear with me, let's go to the middle of this big heavy mark. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right at 27 millimeters, and this is by crude adjustment. So does mine need adjustment? I'd say no, because this machine has like 6 hours on it, so I'd have to say no. But basically that's how you check the adjustment. Once we tear into it, I'll show you how to make an adjustment, not just check it.